Hey everybody, as you might have seen or heard, I'm actually moving content on DIY stuff and garage stuff over to my other channel, Carbon's DIY Garage. And this morning I just uploaded a new video on how I discovered where the exhaust leak is on my Jeep TJ. I'll put a link to that video in the description and also here on the video so that you can go find it on the other channel. It's a pretty slick trick, and let's just say there's a lot of bubbles involved. So please go check it out. And when you're over on the other channel, I'd also appreciate it if you'd subscribe if you want to continue to follow along on all of the TJ and other DIY type adventures that I might encounter. Take care. Have a good one.